Hi everyone, this is Kriti here and you're watching Chili and Vanilla by Chef Kriti. Today I'm going to share an extremely delicious, melt in the mouth and creamy paneer bhurji. This comes together pretty quick and is a great alternative to the regular day-to-day meals. मतलब अगर आपके फ्रिज में सब्जियां नहीं हैं or you don't want to have a regular boring meal, this is a great interesting option and everybody in the family will be happy to know that it is something different today. This is really delicious and goes very well with regular plain parathas. Do give it a try and let's get started now. We start by roasting kasuri methi on a pan until it's crisp like this. You can hear the sound. Keep this kasuri methi aside and now we roast some besan, that is gram flour, until you start to smell it. Be careful not to burn it. Keep checking it in between. And once you feel slight fragrance in the besan flour, then you just take it out. Now we need to make a tadka. Take little ghee in a pan, heat it and add Kashmiri red chili powder. Now pour this into a bowl and to this we add some masalas. Starting with the roasted kasuri methi, besan. We add these two and after that we add some more masalas, that is coriander powder, turmeric powder, that is haldi, garam masala, black salt. If you don't have black salt, you can even add pink salt, curd and some milk. And make a smooth mixture. Now at this point I forgot to add milk, which I'll show you later. So at a later point of time when I remembered, I added the milk. यहाँ पर मैं डालना भूल गई थी. So once we have a smooth mixture, we move on to the next step. Now this is a rich recipe. We add some ghee and butter both in a pan and let them heat. Once they are heated, we add green chilies, chopped onions, chopped ginger and finally chopped garlic. Now ginger and garlic are optional. If you do not like them, you could skip both of them. And we let them heat nicely. We are not looking for any color or anything in the onions. Let the whole thing get nice and hot. And once it is nice and hot, we add finely chopped tomatoes followed by some salt and let the whole thing cook until it starts to release the oil. So while this mixture is heating, let me take this moment to check with you guys. How are you liking my content? And if you like them, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. And if you would like to know when I post a video next, do hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any video. Now here I am adding the milk, which I had missed from the last step. Once the masalas have released the ghee, add this curd, milk and masalas mixture and cook everything really well. Now at this time we are really looking at this mixture to release oil so that the curd is cooked well and all the masalas are also cooked really well. After this we add crumbled paneer followed by freshly chopped coriander and some salt. And mix. So it's easy to make. You do not require a hell lot of ingredients. It's the regular ingredients that are available in your home and it's really interesting and comes together pretty quick. So here goes the crumbled paneer, some salt to balance the taste and freshly chopped coriander. And the final touch, we add some little powdered sugar and lemon juice to balance all the flavors. So I'm mashing the paneer to make it a little homogeneous. You need not make it completely pasty. You need not really grate the paneer. Just crumble it with your hands and mix it well until you find it homogeneous. Now here goes the powdered sugar and some lemon juice for balancing all the flavors. The sabzi came out really nice. बहुत ही delicious बनी थी, बहुत tasty बनी थी. And my husband and my son were really they had a twinkle in their eyes to know कि आज regular sabzi नहीं बनी है. It is something different today and we all enjoyed the meal to the fullest. It was really creamy, delicious. It just melted in the mouth. I served it with plain dahi and plain paratha along with some sliced onions and the combination was just perfect. We all enjoyed it and we actually finished all of it. बहुत टेस्टी बनी थी. So do give it a try and do let me know in the comments how did it turn out for you. Until then, bye bye and take care.